Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic, suffix and inflection rules. It's an extension of basic spelling rules. Already we are done till half of this rule. Okay, so let me read the next half. When one syllable words end in a consonant preceded by one vowel, double the final consonant before adding a suffix which begins with a vowel. This is also called 1-1 rule. This rule we already studied earlier, okay, as we are discussing especially suffix, so that's why here this rule again we are repeating. So here we have one syllable word and which is ended by consonant and it is preceded by one vowel. Then we must double the final consonant before we add suffix. Okay, so that's why this rule is called 1-1 rule. So 1-1 means what? One syllable, one consonant and one vowel. Let's see few examples. So here is so why we'll call this one as 1-1? Because we have one syllable, one consonant and one vowel. So the example is bat, batted, batting, batter. So here we have only one word bat, so which is ending with consonant and preceded by vowel. So we added different suffix to this one word, okay, and we double the consonant. Okay, next let's see next example. Not example, it's a definition. One more rule. When a multiple syllable word ends in a consonant preceded by one vowel and the final syllable is accented, the same rule holds true, double the final consonant. What do you mean by this? So here the rule is same, okay, even we have multiple syllable word or one syllable word, we need to double the consonant, but here they have added one more extra condition, that is the final syllable is accented. What do you mean by accented? We have already discussed about accented. So here I will give you more detailed description about accented. Accented is nothing but we will have different pronunciations depending upon the symbol present over the alphabet. And the functioning of a word also differs from one symbol to other symbol. We have seen these accented alphabets in dictionary, okay, so there on alphabets you can see some tilde symbol, or sometimes we'll see a cap symbol or slanting lines and two dot symbols. So these are all called accented alphabets. So when the alphabets are accented, then it pronounced differently compared to English, or sometimes the meaning, the functionality is also different. Because we borrow so many words or so many things from different languages, so it is must to put some accent on alphabets to showcase that one. So that we will call it as an accented, okay. So the same rule holds true, we should double the final consonant. So let's see examples. Here we have some examples: control, controlled, begin, beginning. Next we have our final rule, when the final syllable doesn't have the end accent. So that means the same rule extension with a little twist. So that is, final syllable doesn't have end accent. It is preferred and in some cases required that you not double the consonant. So what we need to do here, we shouldn't double the consonant if final syllable doesn't have end accent. So examples are focus, focused, okay. So here S is not accented. Next, worship, worshipped. So sorry, here you are not able to see PED, just write it down PED, okay. So it's also very easy, just we need to look for the accent. If it is not there, just we will write it down as it is with suffix. So this is all about suffix and inflection rules. I hope I covered everything. So if I find anything new, I'll definitely update over here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.